what we've seen today was actually a very multi-sensory experience for our children outside as a whole school family, where our children were able to actually interact with the puppets and really get involved in the story and the experience that it was bringing through. There's so much stuff that our children just can't access, whether it's actual physically access or because of their medical needs and the pressures that their parents or carers might be under to try and get to the theatre can be really tricky for some of them. But I think the fact that you've been able to come to school is actually incredible because we're all here and we're ready, and it was lovely to be out as a whole school family seeing the performance.
Taking her on her journey, found herself floating beneath the water.
I really enjoyed the unicorn bit because that was so hilarious, and I really enjoyed that dragon bit as well because that was so good, and I never seen anything like this before. I would like to see more.
Well, I enjoyed the dancing, the people that were dancing. Yeah, it was really good, it was. I've never done nothing like this before. I really want to do it again. Yeah, I've never been to the theatre. I think I might want to go there.
I had lots of children from other classes saying, oh wow, that's amazing, how did they make that? And can we make that? And they've been really inspired by what they've seen today, and I think very enthusiastic now to go back and create their own puppets and perhaps then become more involved in the arts and drama and in their own class setting. But I do think there should be more of it actually for the wider community, just in general.